Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to personalize. Here select this screen and here click on lock screen and click on change wallpaper. Here you can change from the available system wallpaper. These are all the system wallpaper. You can select anyone. Otherwise you can use your own photo as a wallpaper. First I use system wallpaper. On device wallpaper is showing 4 wallpaper is showing here. Select anyone and click on lock screen and click on this tick mark. Click on this tick mark and it will ask whether to set lock screen or home and lock screen. Click on lock screen only because you are going to set you are going to change lock screen wallpaper. Okay, see here lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected here. If you want to use your photo as wallpaper, suppose if you have many beautiful photos in your gallery taken through your camera, then you can use that beautiful photos as a wallpaper. For that, go to settings again and then go to settings, personalize settings, then personalize, then go to the screen and click on lock screen and click on change wallpaper and here click on my photos. Give all permissions. Here gallery will be opened, camera gallery will be opened. You can choose any photo here. Here I choose this one and click on I choose here and it is previewed. Okay, if you want to change it again, choose another one. Okay, it shows preview. If it is okay, click on lock screen, then click on tick mark and click on lock screen here. Yes, put lock in your phone and see the changes. Lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected. If you want to change to default system wallpaper for lock screen, again go to the settings, then go to personalize settings, personalize, then go to the screen and click on lock screen and click on change wallpaper and click on my photos. Here we go to click on device wallpaper and select first one and click on lock screen. Click on the tick mark. Click on lock screen here. Yes, now system wallpaper is restored to lock screen. See the changes. So in this way you can easily change wallpaper using on device wallpaper, or you can use any photo taken through your camera. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.